Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Vola Mach. First, ensure your Vola Mach is meticulously cleaned, removing all scales and internal organs. Then, cut the fish into manageable 2-inch to 3-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, marinate these pieces with a generous pinch of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes to absorb the flavors. Now, let's get to frying. Heat about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a wide pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers, indicating it's hot enough. Carefully place the marinated Vola Mach pieces into the hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor and texture. With the fish fried, it's time for the flavorful gravy. In the same pan, using the remaining oil, sauté 1 large chopped onion until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies, cooking for another minute. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Pour in 1 cup of water, bring to a boil, then simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the gravy thickens. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently place the fried Vola Mach pieces into the simmering gravy. Be careful not to break the delicate fish. Allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes, ensuring the fish fully absorbs the rich flavors of the gravy. Garnish generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this delicious Vola Mach curry hot with steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.